Hello, this is Alan from Sno-Isle Tech Dental Clinic, and I was just calling to confirm your appointment with us on the 28th of January.
We do a lot of working on each other. We work with real patients when we have our clinic open, and we also get to work with volunteer dentists. And so we get a lot of hands-on experience, so it's not just all book work.
I've always been interested in the dental field, but I just didn't realize I'd be able to participate in it in high school, and I thought that was so awesome. This program gives you a great opportunity to not only learn assisting, but also other fields such as orthodontics, general dentists, hygiene.
The main focus is on a hands-on experience because that's what you're going to be doing as a dental assistant.
I love getting to work on either each other back here in the clinic or when we have a patient brought back. That's so exciting and fun. And also tearing down the clinic and setting it up is really fun too.
We're all going to be going out and getting into these externships and applying our skills that we've learned here into real clinics with real people. Cornea polishing was the first procedure that we were doing on each other here in class.
After I graduate, I want to go to college and get my license for hygiene, and then hopefully I'll be able to work in the office.
I am actually going to college, and I'm going to get my bachelor's degree and then hopefully move on to dental school to be a pediatric dentist. But I want to work as a dental assistant when I get out of high school for a little bit to kind of get out my practice and get comfortable in the field.
It's exciting, it's bonding, you get to know each other super well. It's just fun, you know?